Hello, my name is John Stewart, and today we're going to briefly discuss how we can save and invest like we do currently, but optimize our cash flow with one additional step and create your own family bank. Now, all cash flow starts with income. Like most people, you probably receive the majority of your cash flow from your job, or maybe you're a business owner or an investor. Perhaps you're retired and you receive a pension, or maybe you were lucky and inherited some money. Whatever the source, either monthly or bi-monthly, you receive a paycheck. Now, when you get that paycheck, there are really only four things you can do with it. You can save it, you can invest it, you can spend it, or you could just give it away. Well, what if before doing any of those things, we first put that money into an area, a place we completely control? Let's call this place your family bank. When your money is inside the family bank, you earn a guaranteed growth. Dividends for life. It's private, you control it, the growth is tax-free, and you can leverage it, putting your money to work in more than one place at a time without interrupting your compound growth. You receive protection in the form of a death benefit in case you die, and protection from creditors in case anyone tries to sue you. There's zero market volatility, meaning there are no losses ever. There's also additional opportunity because when you have immediate access to money, opportunities will find you. So you can use that money for investments, for large purchases or expenses. Now that your money's inside this family bank, when you want to access that money, because it is liquid, we can do what we were going to do before with it, but with additional benefits and no restrictions, meaning we can still invest it, we can still spend it, or we could give it away. All right, so now that we've got this down, but with that one additional step, how do we do this? Your family bank is kind of like buying a home, except for that you earn interest instead of paying interest. If you're familiar with a mortgage, you understand that with each monthly payment, a portion of that goes towards the principal balance of the home, and you start to build equity. Now, when you have enough equity build up, the bank may grant you a home equity line of credit where you can access that equity and use it for whatever you want. The family bank operates a lot like this, except for with a few distinct advantages. Number one, with the family bank, you own it, which means you control it. Two, you have a contractual guaranteed access to the equity or cash value of the contract. Three, it's guaranteed to increase every single year, unlike your house. And four, there's no payment ever required. Okay, so what vehicle are we talking about here? Well, you may have heard of it before. It's called high cash value whole life insurance. But more specifically, we use a specially designed life insurance contract focused on cash value, not the death benefit, something you've probably never seen before. And here's how it works. As you capitalize your policy with premium payments, a large portion of that goes towards the cash value in your policy. Once it's in there, it's locked in for good, and it's guaranteed to increase in value every single year, regardless of stock market performance. Our premiums are held and invested by a mutually owned life insurance company. What does mutually owned mean? Well, simply put, you are an owner of the company, not stockholders. The company is owned by the policy owners, and the insurance company keeps a separate pot of money for reserves and policy loans. And when you want to access your cash value, you take a loan from this other pot of money held at the insurance company, and you collateralize it with your cash value, no questions asked. You can spend that money however you see fit, and then you create your own repayment schedule. All the while, your cash value has been sitting safely and securely inside the policy, still growing, still compounding, and you enjoy all the benefits we discussed above. So that's it. That's how you can optimize your cash flow with the infinite banking concept while controlling your wealth. If you want to read more from the creator of infinite banking, I recommend buying this book, Becoming Your Own Banker by the late Nelson Nash. And you can reach out to me directly or my team for a no obligation discussion. I'm happy to talk to you about your situation and see if this would be a fit for you.